Good morning, dear students. Today we discussed BSc Part 2nd Quantum Mechanics. Topic is Schrödinger equations. अभी तक हमने क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स में जो पढ़ रखा, फर्स्ट हमने वहाँ से प्लांक कांस्टेंट से, फिर डी ब्रोगली हाइपोथेसिस जिन्होंने मैटर वेव के साथ बताया, यानी कि जो वेव्स है उनका नेचर है वो ड्यूल नेचर होता है। तो हमने सबसे पहले जो यहाँ बोहर के अकॉर्डिंग जो कल्पना की है, जो पार्टिकल के बारे में कल्पना की है, जिनको एक ऑसिलेशंस बताया, उस ऑसिलेशंस में प्रैक्टिकली जिस चीज़ को प्रूव करने की कोशिश की, जिसकी एनर्जी इजिकल टू एच नहीं होता है। फिर मोमेंटम के बारे में डी ब्रोगलिन बताया, पी इजिकल टू एच अपॉन लैम्बडा होता। देन हाइजेनबर्ग अनसर्टेनिटी प्रिंसिपल्स। तो श्रोडिंगर ने इस वेव पैकेट्स को या इस वेव फंक्शन जो था उसको थ्योरेटिकली शो करने के लिए जो इक्वेशन दी उसको कहते हैं श्रोडिंगर इक्वेशन। जो उस प्रैक्टिकली हाइपोथेसिस जो थी, हाइजेनबर्ग हाइपोथेसिस हो या क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स के बारे में जो प्रैक्टिकली अभी तक जो हमने देखा था, उसको थ्योरेटिकली प्रूव करने के लिए श्रोडिंगर ने इक्वेशन दी। जो इक्वेशन दो टाइप की थी, एक टाइम डिपेंडेंट और दूसरा टाइम इंडिपेंडेंट। उस इक्वेशन को हम आज डिस्कस करते हैं। ए बेसिक प्रिंसिपल दैट कैन नॉट बी ड्राइव्ड फ्रॉम एनीथिंग एल्स। द श्रोडिंगर वेव इक्वेशन plays the same role logically analog to Newton's second law in classical mechanics in quantum mechanics। यानी जो श्रोडिंगर की इक्वेशन है वो चरस्मत भौतिकी के न्यूटन के गति के द्वितीय नियम है, लॉजिकली उस इक्वेशन को सेम वैसा शो करता है। इन क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स अप्रोच टू द डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ position at any time is done by Schrödinger equation. In quantum mechanics, approach to the determination of position at any time is done by Schrödinger equation. It really get accepted as its solution agreed extremely well with experimental data. The equation follows iota h cross del E by del T। यह ऑपरेटर है वो क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स में, यह ऑपरेटर एनर्जी का है। साई आर टी वेव फंक्शन है, माइनस एच क्रॉस स्क्वायर बाई 2m डेल स्क्वायर प्लस वी आर टी। यहाँ एच क्रॉस बाई 2m अकॉर्डिंग टू क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स देयर शोइंग इज द काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड वी आर द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, एंड देन टोटल फंक्शन ऑफ एच क्रॉस स्क्वायर बाई 2m डेल स्क्वायर इन 3 डायमेंशनल प्लस वी आर टी इन 1 डायमेंशनल, then del is del square x by del square, then psi rt. This is also called this as the Schrödinger wave equation. Here is the some briefly their personal detail of Erwin Schrödinger. He was born in Vienna to an Austrian father and a half English mother. They have a talk on de Broglie notion that the moving particle has a wave character. On remarking the question of a collegiate that there is need of equation to study a wave, he started to struggle with a new atomic theory. Then struggle was successful in January 1926, and his first of 4 papers on quantization as a eigenvalue problem was completed. There are the linearity and superposition principle of wave function. V function added, not possibilities. Wave function added, not possibility. An important property of Schrödinger equation is that it is a linear in the wave function. By means the equation has terms that contains wave function and its derivatives, but no terms independent wave functions or that involve higher power of wave function of its derivatives। इक्वेशन की जो टर्म्स है उसका जो वेव फंक्शन है उसको हम ड्राइव्ड नहीं कर सकते इंडिपेंडेंट वेव फंक्शंस में। वो वेव फंक्शन से वो पोजीशन और टाइम के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है। देन ए लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन श्रोडिंगर इक्वेशन फॉर ए गिवन सिस्टम इज also itself a solution. Then general solution is linear combination of separable values. Suppose मान के चले श्रोडिंगर इक्वेशन का फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन है psi 1 x t is equal to psi 1 x e की पावर माइनस आयोटा e t बाई e 1 बाई h क्रॉस, एंड psi 2 is equal to x t psi 2 x e की power minus iota e t by h cross and so on. Then solution of psi x t is equal to summation of 1 n is equal to 1 to infinite c n psi n x e की power minus iota e n t by h cross. Then the stationary state. A stationary state is a quantum state with all observable independent of time. A stationary state is a quantum state with all observable independent of time. It is an eigenvector of Hamiltonian. This corresponds to a state with single definite energy instead of a quantum superposition of different energies. Derivation of Schrodinger time dependent equation. Consider the wave function psi xt is equal to a e की power iota kx minus omega t and particle of momentum p is equal to h cross k and energy is equal to e is equal to h cross omega. On differentiating wave function with respect to time and position a, we have del 2 psi del x square is equal to minus k square psi and d psi by dt is equal to iota omega psi using E is equal to p square by 2m. Then h square. This equation del 2 psi square and value putting these in equation E is equal to p square by 2 square, then h cross square k square by 2m, then minus E0 h cross square by 2m del 2 psi by del square is equal to p square by 2m psi using E is equal to h cross omega. Then iota h cross del psi by del t is equal to h cross omega psi E psi, then E is equal to p square by 2m plus vx, so that E psi is equal to p square by 2m psi vx psi. From above all relation we obtained in one dimensional, the equation is minus h cross square 2m d2 psi by dx square plus vx psi is equal to iota h cross del psi by del t. In three dimensional, iota h cross del by del t psi rt is equal to minus h cross square by 2m del square plus vxt psi rt. These are the time dependent Schrodinger equations. Here is the derivation of time independent Schrodinger wave equation. Consider the wave function psi xt is equal to a e की power psi kx minus omega t. Here we consider where we assume that psi their wave function is that, and particle of momentum p is equal to h cross k and energy is equal to e is equal to h cross omega. On differentiating wave function with respect to position x, we have del 2 psi del x square is equal to minus k square psi using p square is equal to 2 p square by 2m, then h cross square k square by 2m, then putting this value, then E is equal to p square 2m plus vx, so that E psi is equal to p square 2m psi plus vx t. But here minus h cross square 2m del 2 psi d2 d square psi x upon dx square plus vx psi x is equal to E psi x, then h cross square by 2m del 2 psi x upon del x square E minus v psi x is equal to 0. There is the Schrodinger time independent Schrodinger equation. Then general solution of Schrodinger wave equation. We have Schrodinger wave equation as iota h cross del 2 del upon del t psi rt is equal to minus h cross square by 2m del square plus vrt psi rt. Using method of separation of variables, we assume solution b psi rt is equal to psi x and phi t. For separable solution, we have del 2 psi by del t is equal to psi del f by del t and del 2 psi upon del x square is equal to d2 psi upon del x square f. Ordinary derivatives now. Then the Schrodinger equation rewrite iota h cross psi del f by del t is equal to minus 2 h cross square by 2m d2 psi upon dx square f plus v psi f. On the derivating through by psi f. Then iota h cross 1 by f df by dt is equal to minus h cross upon 2m 1 upon psi d2 psi by dx square plus v. Now the left side is a function of t alone and the right side is a function of x. The only way these can possibly be true is if both sides are in fact constant. Then iota h cross 1 by f df by dt is equal to e minus h cross square by 2m 1 upon psi d2 psi upon dx square plus v is equal to e. Then df by dt is equal to iota e h cross upon f. We have two ordinary differential equations that can be solved. Minus h cross square by 2m d2 psi by dx square plus vx is equal to e psi. Then ft is equal to e की power minus iota et upon h cross square. Therefore the solution would be psi rt is equal to psi e x e की power minus iota et by s square. Then Schrodinger equation. An important property of Schrodinger steady state equation is that if it has one or more solution for a given system, each of these wave function corresponding to a specific value of energy. जब श्रोडिंगर इक्वेशन का हल करते हैं, अगर एक से ज़्यादा हल है या एक हल है, तो उस एक हल के अकॉर्डिंग उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग उस वेव फंक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू ऑफ एनर्जी यानी ऊर्जा का एक कोई स्पेसिफिक विशिष्ट मान ही प्राप्त होगा. Thus, energy quantization appears in wave mechanics as a natural element of theory, and energy quantization in the physical world is revealed as a universal phenomena, characteristics of all stable states. Here is the steady state from the Schrodinger equation. In many situations, energy of a large district does not depend upon time expectly. Thus, we vary with position of particle. Then minus iota h cross square by 2m del 2 psi by dx square plus e minus v psi is equal to 0 d2 psi by dx square plus 2m by h cross e minus v psi is equal to 0 in one dimensional, and there is the in three dimensional. Okay, next we discuss in next video. Thank you.